Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blur the background of an image using Canva. Now, as you can see, we have the image right here that I want to blur the background of. It's an image of me sitting in my living room. And basically, to be able to do this, the first thing that we actually need to do is we need to create a copy of this image. So to be able to do that, we need to make sure we have the image selected by left clicking on it. And we need to go ahead and right click and click copy, and then we want to go ahead and paste another image on top of that. As you can see, we now have two different images, and the next thing we need to do is actually make sure that the second image is lined up perfectly over the first one. From here, we need to make sure we are still selecting the second image, and the next thing we need to do is go ahead and remove the background of this image. We can do this by going up to the top right here and clicking background remover. And once it's done that, as you can see, we now have two different images, one without a background and one with a background. We can, of course, go ahead and crop in on this second image now just to make things a little cleaner. And the next step, what we need to do is actually go ahead and select the first image. And we can check that the first image is selected by just grabbing it and moving it around. And we now want to go over to where it says Edit. We want to come down to where it says Blur under the Effects tab. And then we want to select the whole image, and then we want to up the intensity to whatever intensity we want it to be. So I'm just going to go with 50 just to show as an example here. And then when we're happy with that, we can click back. And then what we just need to do finally is make sure that our second image is hovering over where our first image was. And as you can see, we've now created that effect of a much more blurred background image with me standing out a lot more in the middle of the image here. So that is essentially how you can blur a background out using Canva. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.